welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to refill your ink tanks on a HP Smart Tank 750. You can see that's the model of this printer, 750 HP Smart Tank 750. So it has 4 tanks: yellow, magenta, cyan and black. So it's not like other machines whereby like Epson, whereby you have to open here like this. You can see like this. You can just open here, then you open the stuff, then you put. So the way they design it, this, you just come here and you go. You see there's a little bit of a hooker here. Hook it up, then you lift this nicely. Remember them, it has what they call, let me put on some light for us. Okay, it has a very weak plastic at the back which holds this entire door, so it can break. So you got to be very careful. Don't push it much. Maybe get somebody to help you to hold here. Then you see on the right hand side, this is where the chamber for the for your ink is. So what you do, there is this little door also inside because it's covered. You open it like this. After opening it like that, so each color you press this open, then you make the bottle sit there, and then you refill. So after refill, you close, you press this, go to the second one, you refill, you close, the third one you refill, you close. Remember the nozzle you have to buy from them or whatever, but the nozzles should look the same, because if otherwise it won't refill. So after you close that, you don't have to press it down. Then second thing is you come here and you press this guy, you open him, you press this, then you refill the black one. After you close it. After that, then you can close it gently, press it, it's gonna say Thereafter, you can even come here and see where it is. You get me? You can see the black is sitting there exactly, but don't make it full to the top, right? That's a very bad thing to do. Want you to make it at least where black is now here, maybe to 80%. Sometimes when you put it in like 100%, it might get you into trouble whereby it can leak inside, because if you look into this printer also, it's almost full of ink everywhere, you can see, and that can damage the head and all that other parts, whereby your printer might not work anymore. So be careful when you put in the ink. Don't put in a lot of it, put in little, it finishes, then you put another one. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and share, right? Yeah, I think that's fine. Okay, press back down. Yeah, that's it. So now that's it. Also, it can, I don't think that's fine. It's fine. No, it's okay. I'll press something which is gonna give us a copy. That was the information on it's a copy I just made here. You can see. You see it said this printer is not connected to network. Why? Because you can say, that's why even you can see the exclamation mark. If I printed it, if you press here the I, it gives you information. This, you can see what it says also. This is to cancel. This is for Wi-Fi, this is for the copy, this is for the ID, this is the off, right? Yeah, but the copy they put for you to 1, but there are 2. 1, 2, there's black and white, and also there's color, right? Yeah. So here, that's where you make your black, your color, this is your make your black, something like that. Okay, so because if you put in the paper here, it's gonna light up. Color black, right? Yes. Thanks guys, and hope to see you in the next video.